안녕하세요 여러분. 아문입니다. Today I am going to teach you how to form present tense in Korean language. So now let's get into it. Now let's move on to present tense in Hangul. How to form present tense in Hangul. The most common present tense ending are ayo, and oyo. It's o, oyo. Note if the syllable vowel is o, okay, o or a, we can simply put ayo. Got it? So for example, Zagda means to be small, so it will be Zagayo.
작아요.
Alright? Second, Buddha. Again, O vowel, so Boayo. Okay, it's Boayo. You can write Boayo. Alright? It's wrong. It's totally wrong. Boayo is not a Korean word. It's some Boayo.
화요.
Okay? Say third, Sada. Sada means to buy. So again, Sa yo. You may ask again, why not a? Because sa ayo. It's not a Korean word again. That's why sayo. Simply sayo. Okay? Nokda means to be high. So it will be nokpayo. Alright? Understood? Nokpayo. Okay? The most common present tense ending with ayo and oyo. If the syllable vowel is o or a, you put ayo at the end. Okay? Zagda, Zagayo. Buddha, Boayo. Sada, Sayo. Nopda, Nopayo. Okay? Now let's move on to second formation. Okay? If the syllable vowel is not o or a, then simply write oyo. It's again oyo. Even if it's o, u, e, twi. Okay? It's a double vowel, twi. Okay? So for example, first Mogda means to eat. So it will be Moggoyo. Getting it? Moggoyo.
먹어요.
Because it's o. Isn't it? That's why Moggoyo. Second, Milda means to push. So it will be Miloyo. I push, someone push. Okay? Moggoyo means I eat, you eat, she eats, he eats. That's it. So third, Ibda means to put on. So it will be again E. So E. Ibboyo. Okay? Ibboyo. Then Gazida means to have. So it will be again Gajio. Because you can write like this. Like this. Gajioyo. It's not a Korean word again. So it's totally wrong. We have to write only Gajio. Okay? Understood? If the syllable vowel is not o or a, then simply write oyo. Okay? Simply write oyo. Even if it's o, u, e, twi. Okay? So first we took Mogda means to eat. Moggoyo. I eat, you eat, she eats, he eats. Milda means to push. Miloyo. Just remove the dha form. Just remove the dha and add the oyo. That's it. Simple formation. Ibda. Ibboyo. Okay? Gajida is Gajio. Alright? Understood? Now let's move on to hada. Hada, which means to do. Hada, it's a kind of exceptional. Okay, we can add noun before hada and form lots of different verbs. Okay, so hada it changes to have. Okay, so let's take noun. Okay, then plus hada. So let's take gongbu. Gongbu means to study. So plus have. Okay, so it will be gongbu have. Gongbu have. Okay, hada change to have. Hada change to have. Hada is a exceptional. Okay, so let's so we took noun as a gongbu. Gongbu means to study. Okay, have, hada change to have. Okay, hada, then gongbu have, which I am studying. Okay, all you need to do is just pick out one dictionary form which adds da. Okay, and then conjugate the verbs. Okay, as I told you, when to use ayo and when to use oyo and when to use heyo. Okay, just remove, while writing, just remove the dha form. Okay, just remove the dha form and use my formation. Okay, now let's move on to some examples. Okay, first oda. Oda means to come. So again, if it's o or a, simply add ayo. Okay, but it's not. But if it's not, you can write oyo. Okay, and if it's hada, simply add heyo. Okay, just keep the formation in mind. Okay, so first oda. Okay, so o da oda, so it will be vayo. It can be oayo. Okay, oayo is not a Korean word, so it's vayo. Okay, second masida means to drink, so it will be masyo. Okay, masyo. Okay, masyo. Then irigda, to read, so it will be yo. Okay, because vowel is e, but if it's not o or a, it's not there, so it's e, so oyo. Okay, so kom. Okay, double consonant kom koda means to drink, so it will be kom ko hayo. Okay, kom hayo. Pick mun hada. So again it's hada, so it will be mun yo. Jumun yo means base peak. Okay, you just need to remove hada, and instead of hada you have to write only heyo. Okay, so last do cha hada. Again hada means to arrive, so it will be do cha heyo. Okay, I hope you understood this, everything, all the formation and everything, when to use ayo and when to use heyo and when to use oyo. Okay, it's oda means to come, vayo. Okay, it's vayo. Va, double vowel, it's vayo. It can be o, a, yo. Okay, it won't be a yo, it will be only, it should be yo. Okay, understood? So hey guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more new videos. Bye.